Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you have this F150 or similar one, this one is the hybrid, and I have an extra battery. It's a small one right here. If yours does have it, it will be located right in here under this. So to open it, you have to, there's like two things right here, I believe, and two here. So what you're gonna have is clips here and here. It just pops up, and then on here it goes inside here. So what you do is pop out in this way, but before you pop out, you have each end has like a little, like a clip. It goes like this in this way and that way. What for me, what works is take this bottom plastic, which is part of this, you kind of pull it and raise this up so it kind of goes up just a little bit. I don't know if you can see it, just like that. But you need two hands. Just pry it so you don't break it. Let's see, I can see it better. So right there, what I do is either you have something else, you just kind of hold the bottom plastic this way and pop this up this way a little bit. So that's was able to come up. So that's able to come up like this. Same thing on that side. When you do that, then you just pop this side up and this way. Let's get the other side. So I got two sides loose kind of, so they're not in there. Now you have to kind of pry it so the clips come off from each end. Just like that. So I see these clips came off, but and then you can take it out. So that's what it looks like in the bottom. So clips here, and then these on the side, one here, one here. You can either push on it, but it's pretty hard, stiff, or what I was doing. So what I did is like this, and I went in and kind of open up the space. You can use a screwdriver, so whatever works. This way, I popped it up. Same thing on this side. I pulled it this way, the bottom, just like that, and pop those up a little bit higher. And then you just pull on it. Just don't hurt yourself because this is metal. Pulling it, these came off, and then that's what it looks like in the back. Just sitting like this. So yeah, that's how you get to the battery. And to get the battery out, what you need to do is 8mm here, 7. And that's off. Get out of the way. And then you get to your positive. Just careful so you don't touch anything. Or if you want to unplug the main battery first under the hood, and then this one to this side. Make sure this is not touching anything. But make sure you unplug the under the hood first. I believe that's 10mm there. That way, so you don't touch anything with this one, just by accident. And then what you do is just unplug here. If you need to take it out, you also use, let's see. Actually, this one's gonna be an 8mm. 8mm, and these are 7mm. That's how you take it off. I don't need to take mine off, but this here, loosen it, takes off. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed yet. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.